fishing with the world's tiniest lure.
That's it. One more flip. There we go. No, we're just getting out. Yeah, no problem. Okay, no problem. I just wanted to make sure because we're having trouble with people coming in here, and I wanted to. We're actually going to post no trespassing, but we haven't yet.
Oh my gosh, I got one.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's a little guy.
All right, well, you guys have a good day.
Oh my gosh, that's a nice one.
What even is that?
Darn, red ear. Look at that.
That's a nice one.
Ah, first cast.
We're going to keep that.
Oh yeah.
That's a great red ear.
All right. Gotta deal with him.
Those little, he was catching them on little things like you got on there.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. I got another. Darn. It's a small one. Oh, that's a dink.
Yeah, it's just a little.
That is dink.
Throw that one back in. Keep winding that in. Need to keep that thing moving, Jackson, like that.
Yeah.
That's the way you catch fish with that.
I've been sort of pausing it, and that's how I got those first two bluegill. Oh, there we go. Something hit it. There we go. Got another. Oh, it's another dink. Oh, it's a crappie.
Little crappie.
Okay. Oh, that guy is barely hooked. Sorry, buddy.
Why are you sorry?
I'm going to show you how to get those off.
Oh, I got
a big one.
How far? How far?
Dang it. I'm a fish surgeon now.
Yeah.
And I've caught tons of fish, but my goal is a big one. Okay.
Jackson, throw.
All right, there we go. Oh, that is not a nice fish. That's a little bluegill. It's heavy though.
Okay.
It's rare.
Pull out. Here. Right here. We're going from these poles here.
Dang it.
Jackson,
What?
Parker. Going right in front of these poles. Throw them on in.
Yeah, that's where I'm catching some bluegill.
Right. I'll throw in the end.
How many crappie have we caught? 2?
Just one.
Well, that's
One
kept.
that we kept.
Yeah, no, I caught a little dink.
Yeah, I think.
I prefer bass. Dang it, I gotta be so ginger with this little thing. I might take off that.
It's good that
Quick
it's
switch.
unnatural in the water.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, because it looks injured.
Looks like it's having a seizure, Parker.
Exactly.
That's not really a good thing.
Yes, it is, because then the fish will go for it.
Let me ask you this. If you saw a fish having a seizure right in front of you, what would you do?
Well, I'm smart.
Can fish even have seizures?
Put a reel in my slack.
I'm gonna take off my little quick swap little thing. Gosh, it's not bad. Oh, I think
That's a pig, buddy.
What was that?
probably. That's not bad. Mine had the biggest mouth out of all of ours. Okay.
He swallowed it.
Oh, darn it, Parker.
He swallowed it.
Shake it out of him. Shake it out of him.
What does that mean?
I can't get it out.
Okay. Say, I can't get it out.
Yeah, Parker.
Wait a minute. No, I think I got one on.
Oh, yeah, you do. What happened to me catching stuff?
Another bluegill.
Darn. One keeper
Well,
crappie.
you said you caught enough.
I have not caught enough.
I know, but you said that earlier.
I'm gonna switch to something else. This is not catching anything. Another
This
piggy.
one's not as big as yours, though.
Mine had the.
He's got that all the way down in his jaw. He's a really nice one.
Make it pee on Parker.
We're gonna have to. Okay, I need the pliers. Can you give me that pliers that's over there? I can't get it. Oh, here. Okay.
This is gonna be a long video. Okay. Put on a different lure.
And that hook's all messed up too.
Oh, dang it.
We can put this one
I
on.
can just
Dang
bend
it.
that.
That could have been bad.
Okay. So first thing you're gonna have to open the net so that.
Guys, I don't think this is helping the fish.
Hold on to this fish. Okay.
Come on, little bass, bluegill, anything. Put on another tiny lure.
This is an absolute pig.
I like pigs.
Get that
These are ones with a stripe.
Time to put on something else.
Hybrid
Oh, yeah.
bluegill. That
I'm gonna
first
move
one
this
you
over.
caught, Jackson, is what's called a red ear.
Yeah,
Shellcracker in the south.
yeah.
Red,
I've heard
shellcracker.
them called a lot of things, so you can kind of see my confusion.
And
This I might try, or what else do I have?
I bent mine.
This,
Yeah, you gotta
no,
pull it out a little bit.
Yeah.
I have this. Grandpa, you think this would work well?
That looks
That's
pretty
a snag machine, though.
But do you think it would work?
Oh, I do.
All right.
Naboos are good.
Eh,
Naboo.
I'm not very good at crappie fishing. I never really did it till now.
That's you're not good at crappie fishing. You have to just learn the right way to do it
Right?
and not think that way.
This little rooster tail
That's it.
thingy.
Now go.
I first cast with this thing, and it's tiny.
Whoa, man. Oh,
What's that?
wow.
Oh, this thing.
That thing took it down like a. That was really interesting.
I've never
I'm anxious
fished.
to see what this is.
Grandpa, what would I do with this? Just like jig it along?
Yeah, he's not that big. Man, he took it down like
Inhaled it.
crazy.
I'm not good with these things. I don't know what I'm
There
doing.
was no doubt that he wanted it.
Yeah. If I don't get anything in like 5 minutes, I'm gonna switch this off.
Stop putting this on the wrong side of me. Hand me the your pliers up there.
Parker.
On my wrong side. Oh, you can get it? Okay, cool. Thank you.
Oh,
Thanks,
Parker, did you
for
just
the-
fart? Did you just fart?
No.
Sure sounded like it. A little squelch.
That part's gonna be a poop part.
Oh gosh.
So I'm not doing it.
Do it off the side of the boat if you're going to.
I'm not doing it. I gotta wipe it.
You already dumped yourself today. Actually, I think I have toilet paper on me. Believe it or not.
I do believe it, Jackson.
Yeah.
Toilet paper, please.
What?
I like stocking up on toilet paper. In case I have to take my own dookie. I've had too many instances where I've had to poop off the side of the boat. I don't think anything cares for this. In this lure for another day. I need a different one. Never gonna catch anything. And I already got it. Covered in moss.
There you go.
There we go. Clean all the moss off. I think we're gonna try these next.
Is this one the one that you're using?
Yeah. I'm gonna give these a try.
Is he missing a nose?
He is?
No.
All right, hold on. We're not getting anything here.
Dang it, this is gonna be...
Bring yours in slow. Slow.
This thing needs oil. Otherwise it's gonna break my fingernails. Well, that's unfortunate.
Okay, bring it in.
Alright, whatever. Oh, I've got this one.
Let's go up that way further.
Where the heck
Over
did...
there, I have.
Yes, we are going to go over there.
What did I just put in here? Oh, yeah, there it is. Alright. Oh, whatever, that works. Darn it. Come
All
on.
right, let's go over there then. Go over there.
I hate that little
It's not
seal in there.
down here.
I must have used a whole nother lure. Oh, there we go. That works.
Oh.
If I were doing it on purpose, it would be...
Trying to keep you from catching fish.
No. If anything, if I was doing it on purpose, I would have done it a lot worse. Oh. I think I got one. First cast with one of these two. I've never caught a fish on it. Or, nor have I even opened them up before.
Yeah, definitely a bluegill.
Hey, there's a beaver, a muskrat.
Where?
Over there. See it swimming across? Oh, there's another one. Ew. These things scare me. I want to get bitten by one. Oh, man.
Very few.
Well, hey, I've got lures. If you need one. Yeah, well, I have a whole lot better ones.
I know.
I'm kidding. Don't torture me. Nah, I'm just kidding. Okay.
Yeah, look at that thing, Grandpa.
What is it?
Muskrats. It's building. Oh, that actually might be a beaver. It looks like it's trying to build a dam.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's a beaver.
Leave it to beaver.
Oh yeah, right there is its.
Oh, yeah, it might be. Let's watch it a bit.
Leave it to the beaver.
I don't know how well people can see
Yep,
that.
that's where he's going.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. So, oh, no. I bet he lives down that corner that we were in. I feel like he's too small to be a beaver. Oh, well. Yes, you don't have to be a certain size to be a beaver. I feel like there'd be more muskrats out here. I don't know much about either of those. But it sounds like they're still working hard down in there. If you listen. Grandpa, where did you cast?
You see the...
Oh, yeah.
I've never even guessed. Christmas trees there.
I don't think that's a Christmas tree.
Yeah, well, that's what I thought.
Just go on that side of the...
Oh, there we go. Oh, no. That was definitely a crappie, and I think it's got it again. Oh, yeah. Nope, that's a big bluegill, though. Darn. I figured these would work. Oh, that is a nice one.
Don't make
That is so fat. Look how fat it is. All right. Get another couple casts. Yeah, I would say they're right along the shore.
We should put some weights on there.
No. It's great just the way it is. Don't tell somebody to get fatter. It's not good. Some people take it seriously. I mean, I'm not like that.
You should.
I'm more muscular. Oh, I think I got one. Oh, I do. Nope, never mind. Nope, never mind again.
Oh, did you even have one?
Oh, yeah. It was a dank bluegill, probably. But I don't know.
Imagine it's like the biggest fish in the whole lake.
Shut up. Doesn't make me happy to hear. At least we don't have school tomorrow. We can do stuff a bit later.
Well, it's Sunday tomorrow.
Oh, dang it. Oh, but we have Mother's Day, which means we can bring it for dinner.
I
Or
thought
for lunch
Mother's
tomorrow.
Day was Tuesday.
It's not, Parker.
You told me it was Tuesday.
No, it's Sunday.
I did not ever tell you it was Tuesday. I've
No.
Let's go down the other end.
Okay. That sounds great. I mean, I'm doing fantastic. I've tested so many new lures.
I thought that's
I'm just gonna troll. Oh, there we go. I got one. No, that was huge. It absolutely
Well, do you still have it or not?
smashed that thing. No, it's gone now. But that was,
There's a bluegill
Oh,
probably on those.
it just smashed it.
Donut Mondo. Mondo Commando.
Do you know the mommy man? Shut up, you almost knocked my handle. Get off. Get off. Jeez. You're such a pain.
Get off.
Get off. Get off. You know, we're gonna go ice fishing.
Ice fishing.
Parker, you're really pushing it, buddy.
We're gonna go down
Ow, Parker.
this corner here. Come on, you guys.
Parker, come
That's
on.
not my
Watch your
fault.
line.
I'm just
Watch
keeping
your
it
line.
here.
Hold on to your bait, Parker. Hold on to your bait.
Yeah, otherwise
Hold
it's
on to
gonna
your
fall off.
That's a boy.
Parker's a girl. I'm kidding. I need a thumbnail. Oh,
that was
dang it.
something.
No, duh. We're just gonna let this go down. See if it wants it. Nothing. There. Shut up. I'm a great brother.
And we're gonna fish out of the other side of the boat.
This side? My side?
Or no, the other side.
Oh.
I'm gonna fish on that side.
Yep.
No, not you, Jackson.
Yes, me. I was talking to both of us. I can't even cast to there.
Jackson, you guys come to the beach with me.
No, I didn't. I did not cast.
I can't.
You guys are gonna have to help me clean the fish.
Oh, I know. I do every time.
Wait, how are we gonna do it?
What do you mean?
There, are we doing it, Mike's?
Yeah.
We're gonna do it. Back it.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Parker cast it.
We don't do it.
You're not casting it. Well, no, duh. Oh man, I've needed to stretch my legs so long now. Don't touch my butt.
You won't want to touch mine.
Oh yeah, I know that. I got something chewing on it. Probably a small bluegill. I've got this weird looking worm lure I think I'm gonna try.
Oh yeah, I'll definitely try.
Yeah, one that scares me. I cannot cast over there. Go put on that tiny lure again. Really tiny lure.
Had something following me.
I should have brought my other rod out.
I don't mind.
Yeah, I'm not getting anything anymore. I had so much till now. Go ahead. Pitiful.
Gotta get over by that tree over there. Underneath there is a good spot.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's a crop. It's a bass. Darn it. Why are you getting a bass? That's all I ever want to catch. Oh, that was a terrible cast. That squirrel is laughing at us. Oh well, at least I've caught something in the last 20 minutes.
I have two.
You haven't. I don't think you know how long 20 minutes is.
Move closer to the shore.
We'll throw that. Along the distance.
Oh yeah. There we go. Oh. There we go.
Wind that thing in, Jackson.
Me?
So I can toss on this other side over here.
Oh, there you go, Parker. A little crappie. That's tiny.
Is it a crappie?
Yeah, that's tiny.
It's a little guy. Little guy.
Can't believe it's actually stayed on for this long.
There's big ones over here too. Especially down there. See that little island is down there?
Yeah.
They're around that too. We used to get a lot of crappie right here, Mike and I did.
Yeah.
Right down there next corner.
Good to see that guy.
Oh, there we go. I caught a fishy. It's a crappie. It's a good one.
Yeah, I need to switch it.
He too.
Okay.
We're gonna put him back. He's a little too small.
I've caught bigger. Obviously.
They seem to like that bait pretty well though, don't they?
Yeah, I have 3 more if you guys want to try one. Buddy, you're barely hooked.
Well, I might put. I've got that color also in my spinners here.
I just want to catch a crappie. So I haven't caught him.
What are you talking about? You did, didn't you?
He's caught a couple.
I've caught like 5 fish.
I've completely lost count, if I'm being honest with you. How the tables have turned, Parker. I just want one bass today.
No. Park. Go back in there. You're not throwing in a productive spot.
I can't. I have no room because Jackson keeps on standing up close.
Sorry, I had to stand up to get that crappie off. We need more crappie. I think I'm gonna put back on my little, I don't know what you call it, a little, I don't know what you call it. 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 I don't know what you c World's tiniest lure. Actually caught a lot on that. I don't know how. Give this 5 or 6 more casts.
That's a good spot there, Parker.
If I don't catch anything, I'm gonna switch.
You're right there, buddy.
Yeah, mine's moving a bit.
Oh, I know. It can move like that. It's all right.
In fact, I'm gonna try my one. Oh, I did not realize I was already there.
There you go. Come on now. Take it.
I feel like that's gonna be a bluegill. I would take that
Yeah.
now. Does it feel like a bluegill?
I think it's a crappie.
Yeah, you're
Like
right.
a
Oh
crappie.
yeah, that's a
Oh, it's a
crappie.
bass.
Oh yeah. Why? Why can't I catch any bass? It's all I've been going for all day long. I mean, I've caught dozens of fish.
Oh, he's heavy.
I don't know how. That thing is skinny as heck.
No room to set my rod down.
It's going up my butt, Parker. Don't complain. Come on, bass.
Are you keeping this guy?
He's really small.
I know. That means it's good.
And what?
They're better eating.
Oh yeah, but it's just a baby bass. Oh, there we go. That was a bass.
As soon as this thing hit the bank, it was on there.
Yeah.
That's usually a bass.
Are you keeping this guy?
No. I'm not keeping any bass.
I think something's on it.
Oh
yeah, there it
Have
is.
I caught a crappie today?
What is
Yes, I have.
this?
I've caught in every
It's a
species.
something. Oh, it's a tiny little bluegill. Oh, that's not tiny. How did it swallow it? It swallowed the whole thing whole. What the heck? This can't even fit in its mouth. What? It swallowed it whole. This is like, what? How does this happen? Ouch. Move your stinking fins. What?
We're gonna have to head. What we're gonna do is we'll troll back up. If we get any hits, we'll keep trolling a little bit. But if we don't, we're gonna have to probably call it pretty soon.
Yeah, okay. Makes sense.
He missed it already.
Yeah, he does.
Yeah.
They almost look like it.
Like and subscribe. Bye.